So I am here outside of Madeira Beach Walk, and I'm excited to say that it is fully complete. You've got the landscaping in, you can see the sprinklers going with the sod. We've got all the finishes complete. So I'm gonna be showing you around unit number 4, which was the end unit, was sort of the builder's marquee unit. And yeah, without further ado, let's go on inside.
If you like this clip and want to watch another one, go ahead and click here. And if you want to make my day, smash that like button, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on the next video we drop.